Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the engine oil in your Honda HS or HS622 mini 2-stage snowblower. Now this procedure that I show you applies to essentially all Honda snowblowers, but the only difference being on where you access the oil drain plugs and how much oil that the engine needs. Having clean engine oil is really important to ensure the long life and reliable operation of your snowblower. Now before we do our oil change, we want to start off the engine and let it run for at least 15 to 20 minutes to get that oil nice and hot. So I'm going to flip my little ignition switch here, apply my choke. Now to make this oil change easier, we're going to drive this snowblower onto a set of blocks just to give us that added height. HS or the HS622, there's actually a oil dipstick on both sides of the engine, as there is also a oil drain plug on each side. So whatever side you have more room on to work with, you can remove either plug and filler dipstick to fill it accordingly. Now I'm not going to use any fancy oil pan. I'm actually just using an old sort of takeout bowl here to collect the oil, because there's only 0.6 liters in this particular engine. So I've got it elevated already on level ground and on a wood block just to give me that little bit of extra space. And then I'm going to put that bowl directly underneath the drain plug, and then using a 10mm wrench I'm going to crack that open. So you can let that oil out nice and slow. Clean up our plug and then install a new crush washer on it. Reinstall it onto the engine. And then you're just going to use the wrench and snug that up to approximately 12 foot-pounds. I'm going to clean up the spilled oil residue that's coming along the frame here by just giving it a few squirts with some brake cleaner. And then using a rag to just wipe that all dry. Now the engine oil that we're going to use in this snowblower is a 5W30 synthetic motor oil. This is the same kind of engine oil that you would use for your vehicle. I like using synthetic oils because of its low temperature viscosity and the fact that it offers better wear protection. I've pre-measured 600 mils of oil so that we can pour that straight into the crankcase. Crack open the dipstick. Fill the crankcase with your pre-measured engine oil. Okay, so we filled this engine with 600 mils of oil, and you know it's full because when the snowblower is on a level ground, that the oil is just slightly below the filler hole. And this is the same whether you do it on the left or the right side of the engine. Now for those that are curious to how to check the oil level with the dipstick, you just simply take the dipstick and you touch the threads to the block. You don't actually screw them in, and then you pull it back out. And as long as you see oil that's 3/4 to almost all the way up on the dipstick, the crankcase is full. So as you guys can tell, replacing the engine oil on your Honda HS or HS622 snowblower is very simple and can be accomplished with some basic hand tools. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.